Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue when apps are not showing up in Google Play Store on Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. You can see I've been searching for PUBG Mobile and it's not showing up. It says that parental controls restrict downloading of this app. And to disable parental controls, go to the main screen of Google Play Store. Then click on your profile icon in top right corner. Go to Settings, Family, Parental Controls, and here you can view your parental controls restrictions. You can either disable them or change them, but to disable or change them, you'll need to know the parental controls pin. The pin was set up when the parental controls were being turned on, and if somebody has turned on the parental controls for you, they know the pin number. So let's change the restrictions and first enter the content pin. Mine is 1234, but yours probably different. You can set it to most least restrictive. I'm gonna set it to least restrictive and press on save. And I can also disable parental controls, so there's no restrictions. And let's go back and search for PUBG Mobile. Is it available? It is. Press on install. And you can see it starts installing. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.